Here is how you can import data into Magic Heidi. So you might, for example, have a client list that you want to import. And it's super simple. You just go into clients. Either you click this arrow and then you select the file, or you literally just drag and drop the file like this into Magic Heidi. You will see that 9 clients got imported successfully. And this is because our AI will look at your file, and whatever the format, it will figure things out. Now you can do the same for invoices. For example, you have existing invoices that you want to import. You can literally just take the file and drag and drop it like this into Magic Heidi in the invoices section. And this is useful, for example, if you want to import invoices that you generated previously, or if you want to import maybe bank statements or things for payments that are already done. In this case, the document was recognized as an already paid invoice. So now I see in paid, I now have this new invoice here, and the description of the payment, the subscription, what it was about, all already done. And now the final sort of big example I want to show you is expenses. Basically your whole accounting. You can just take like a CSV file with all your expenses and drag and drop it into Magic Heidi. And our AI will automatically recognize all the data, all the expenses, the price, the category, and do your whole accounting for you. And here we can see the import is completed. It tells us how much was imported, it was skipped or dropped because it's not valid. And I have basically my whole expenses with the categories here, the descriptions of what something is, the date, if it's already paid, and the category. Like, it's unbelievable. Basically, in a few seconds, everything is imported and solved. So I hope this tutorial was useful, and I wish you a great day. Bye-bye.